In this video, I will show you how to create resources and how to assign resources to different activities. So we will click Enterprise, Resources, and you will see the window for resources is blank. To see all the resources, you will click Display, Filter by all resources, and a lot of resources are shown here. So for example, we want to add a labor resource for project manager, so we will click add PM as the resource ID and resource name is project manager. Click next, and this resource is related to labor people, so click finish. Now we will add another example resource for concrete. This resource is related to material, so we will select material, click finish. Another example resource is for machines, so let's say excavator. Click next. Non-labor resource, finish. In this way we can create different resources. Now we want to define the units and prices for the resource, so we will click units and prices. So you can see here 8 hours per day, you can change it to 10 hours, 12 hours, whatever is suitable for your project. And here we will define the price. The price is shown here in dollars. So how to create a currency? So we will create Saudi Riyal currency. We will click admin, currencies, add currency, SAR, Saudi Riyals, here SAR, and the exchange rate is 3.75. Click close. Now we want to change the currency, the default currency. Edit, user preferences, currencies, and here we will select Saudi Riyals. Click close. Now you will see Saudi Riyals appeared here. For excavator, the per hour rate is, let's say, 100 Riyals. So we will write 100 Riyals here. The rate can be different. You can change the rate as per the project requirements. Let's say the concrete per cubic meter or per unit price is 200, and this way you can change the per unit price. Now we will assign the resources to different activities. Go to activities, and let's say architectural drawings. We want to assign a resource to architectural drawings. Go to resources, add resource, and look for architect. Here we can see design architect. Click add, and the resource is assigned to architectural drawings, and this way we can assign resource to civil structural. Click add resource, and here you will see structural engineer. So in this way you can assign different resources to different activities depending upon the requirement of the activity. In the detail section here we want to see the unit price. So how to show that price? Here we will right click, customize resource columns, and then in general scroll down to price per unit and click OK. So you can see now the unit price per unit is 50 reals per hour. In the detail section you can see the details for that resource, the start, finish date, and budgeted units. In the next video I will show you how to handle the resources, how to make changes to the resources. Thanks for watching this video. See you again.